Here's the real reason you skip lunch. Cooking feels like a project. This one isn't. 5 ingredients, 5 minutes: tomatoes, white beans, herbs, acid, olive oil. Start with ripe tomatoes, chop them, hit them with a pinch of salt, and let them sit 2 minutes. That juice becomes your dressing. Drain and rinse a can of white beans and add them right on top. Tear in fresh herbs, U2014, basil, parsley, whatever's alive in your kitchen. Then a splash of vinegar or lemon, a generous pour of good olive oil, salt, pepper. Toss it gently and taste until it makes you go, oh, that's it. No tomatoes? Use cherry tomatoes. No white beans? Chickpeas. No fresh herbs? A pinch of dried oregano. The point isn't the exact ingredients, it's the shape. Creamy, bright, green, and fat to carry it. Eat it as is, spoon it over toast, or pile it on greens. You don't fall off eating well because you're weak. You fall off because your plan takes 40 minutes. Keep this one in your back pocket, and you're never far from a real lunch. If this helped, do 2 things. Hit like and subscribe. Small actions, remember? That's how change sticks.